This video is about AC MotorCAD interface spreadsheet. I ended up with a rather small drawing. I can zoom in on it to get all, which will make this larger, or I can zoom to a box to see just a box worth of the sketch. I can do something much faster because then the spreadsheet doesn't have to compute where all the lines are. I can hold down the control key and use my mouse wheel. If I drag it back toward me, it gets smaller. Of course, I guessed wrong the first time. If I move the mouse wheel away from me, the lines get, the drawing gets a larger scale. So this going in and out is much easier than and faster than zooming in and out. If you move the scroll wheel away from you without holding down the control key, or toward you, nothing happens. It's only when you hold down the control key. Now, if you want to move around, if you want to pan a little bit, I just selected a cell, select any cell. And by using the arrow keys up and down, you can scroll this, and by moving the arrow, pressing the arrow key to the right and to the left, you can scroll that so that you can center it a little bit if you want to. Then you can zoom in on other parts of the sketch.